unbelievable. Woo. Wow. Hey, what time's the show start? What? What time's it? Who's got a watch? What time's it, lady?
3:30.
What time's it? Let's turn the music down now. I can't hear her.
3, 2, 5.
What?
3, 2, 5.
Oh, 3, 2, 5. Oh. So what time's the music start? Okay, what time's the show start?
3:30.
3:30. 3:30. How long we got left before the show starts?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. All right then. Hey, would you like me to do something while we're waiting to start the show? You would? What do you think I can do? Height, Clarence? Not much height, is there? Then you got to check the wind speed. Not much wind, is there? Are we all ready now? Okay, now everybody, on the count of 3 I'll juggle. Everybody count. 1, 2, 3. Hey! There you go, I juggle. Thank you. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Yes, I did it. Thank you. No, that wasn't juggling, Mum, was it? I just turned around to get a better grip, wasn't I? See, if I was a good juggler, I'll be able to do the single spins and I'll be able to do double spins, but I can't do that because clowns can't juggle. What? Was that juggle?
Say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, you say, I wanna love you as you are, but I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us. When I call you glorious, when the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to
now.